I'm James, and in this video, I will show you how to create one product Shopify store from start to finish, step by step. Shopify One Product Store is an e-commerce store that focuses on selling a single product. It's a thriving trend and predicted to become the future of dropshipping. For example, this store sells only one sneaker. If you browse it, you will feel that they are the manufacturer of this sneaker, and they're selling it with almost $60. While if you go to AliExpress, you will find the same exact sneaker with only $20. So, as you see, the One Product Store focuses only on one product and makes people feel through website design and other visuals that they are the brand owner. Another example, this store sells only portable blender, and you can find here very nice design with colorful images. Let's check the price of this blender. The price is around $61. And if you go to AliExpress, you can find many portable blenders with price ranging $15 to $25. In this tutorial, we're gonna build this one product store from scratch. I will show you everything you need, from product selection to brand name checker and visuals designs. If you follow through this tutorial, by end of it, you will have your own one product store and you can start selling. So without further ado, let's get started. The easiest and fastest way to find winning products is through a website called ecomhunt.com. Featuring thousands of best-selling products handpicked by dropshipping experts, Ecom Hunt eliminates the time-consuming process of having to manually find, research, and test dropshipping products. Let's click on this product for example. From here we can go to the product page at AliExpress. Here is the suggested selling price, the product cost, how many stores are selling this product, and you can find promotional video and also see a sample of Facebook ads promoting this product, in addition to many more details. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're gonna build one product store using this product, emergency radio. I'll show you exactly how to build store around this product, the branding strategy, and all other details. I'll leave a link in the description for Ecom Hunt. Also, I have full tutorial on how to use it, and I will leave a link in the description. Let's move now to the next step. In this step, we're gonna choose a name and create a logo for our one product store. Go to leandomainsearch.com, and you have to come up with a unique name for your store. I searched some names and found the name Radio Dsers. This name will look like brand name, and it's easy to memorize. Here, it tells us that the domain name is available, and if you can't get the exact name, you can find some suggestions down here. The next step is to create a logo for our store. Go to canva.com, register for free if you don't have an account. Click on Create Design and search for logo. Search here for something like power or maybe energy. You will have all this ready-made logo templates to choose from. Let me choose this one and change the wordings to my store name, Radio Dsers. And here at the subtitle, I'll write few words to describe my store. And when you are done, click here on Share, then Download, and make sure to download it in PNG format. And by this, we have our store name and logo ready. Let's move now to the next step and register at Shopify. In this step, we're gonna register at Shopify, the world's best e-commerce platform. First, click on the link in the description in order to get a 14-day trial on Shopify, so you can start earning money before you pay anything. Enter your email and click on Start Free Trial. Click down here on Skip. Skip again. Enter your store name. Here I'll write Radio Dsers. Click on Next, and then choose your country, and click on Next. Click on Continue with Email, and choose a password. And click on Create Shopify Account. Now, we're in our new Shopify store, and this is called the dashboard, so this is what it will look like. The first thing we're going to do is to pick a plan, so click here on Select a Plan. So these are the 3 plan options that are currently available. For most people watching this video, the basic Shopify plan will be more than enough to launch their new store. However, You want to keep in mind that these plans have differences, and one of the main differences is the transaction fee. But for this video, I'm gonna simply choose the basic Shopify plan because this is the one that will work for most people watching this video. So I'm gonna click on choose this plan right here. And then we have to decide on our billing cycle here. You can go for monthly or yearly. The higher the period, the higher the discount. But for me, I will go for monthly. And then click on Add Address and insert your details. In the address field, you can enter your personal details or your company details if you have one. Click on Save. You're gonna have to add a payment method. However, keep in mind, you're still on the 14-day free trial. So, if you do cancel or close your store before the 14 days are over, your credit card will not be charged. Click on Add Credit Card. And click here on Select Plan. Note the billed now amount is 0. Last step is to confirm our email address. Check your email. Click here, and now our email is successfully confirmed. And by this, we activated our Shopify store. Now, let's move to the next step. In this step, we gonna add the product to our store. Shopify has an app store, and we gonna add an app to automate the process of product fulfillment. Click here on Add Apps. And then click on Shopify App Store. We gonna search for an app called Dsers. This is one of the best apps to automate AliExpress dropshipping. Click on it. Click on Add App. And then Install App. We gonna choose here the basic plan, which is free. Click on Get Started. And now we are going to link this app with our account in AliExpress. Click here on AliExpress, and then log into your account. If you don't have one, click on Register, enter your location, your email and password, and create a new account. And here, grant authorization by going down and clicking on Authorize. Click on I will explore freely and learn later. Don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through this app. Next, search for Dsers Chrome extension on Google. Click here. And then add it to Chrome. And click Add Extension. And now let's go to our product page at Ecom Hunt and click See on AliExpress. And in order to send the product to our Shopify store, simply click here on Add to Dsers. And it says here, AliExpress product import success. Let's go back to Dsers app and click on Import List. Here, you will find the product that we just added from AliExpress. Click on this pencil in order to edit the product. First step is to change the title of the product to our brand name, which is Dsers. The second tab is the Variants tab, and usually we don't change anything here. And at the Description tab, we copy the description from Ecom Hunt and paste it here. And the last tab is the Images tab. Here you can select images that you want to send to our store. And when you are done, click on Save. And then click here on Push to Shopify. Tick also Publish to Online Store. And then click Push to Shopify. Go back to Shopify dashboard and click on Products. Here, you get to find the product added to Shopify. Click on it. You can also do all sort of changes directly from here, so let's change the product price. Check the product selling price at Ecom Hunt. It's $69.98, and we can apply the same price at our store. Make sure you apply it for all variants. And then click Edit beside each variant. And change Compare at Price, which is a feature to make customers feel that they are saving when purchasing a particular item at a discount. Change it to $98.98, and then click on Save. Make sure to change it for all variants. I'll fast forward the video to save time. Go back to Product Main page and click on Preview. Here, you can check the product page at your store. Still, we need to work on the design in the next step. But the product page looks nice and complete, and this is exactly what we are looking for. And by this, we are done with this step. Let's move to the next step and start working on store design. In this step, we gonna work on our store design. The one product store usually has a simple design, where all info is listed in one page. Click here on Online Store, and then Themes. The default theme added to our store is called Dawn. And if you want to change theme, go down and click on Explore Free Themes. Here, you will have a list of free themes. You can change the active theme on your Shopify store by clicking on the desired theme and then add it to Theme Library. But for this tutorial, we're gonna continue with the default theme Dawn, as it's one of the best themes. To start designing our store, click here on Customize. Now, we're inside the theme editor. It's very simple. Let's start with the top section of the website. At the very top, we have the announcement bar, where you can talk about special events, discounts, or maybe free shipping. So let's change it to free shipping worldwide. We'll talk more on the shipping settings later in this video. Go back, and let's work on the header section. Click on Header, and the first thing we're gonna change is the store logo. Click on Change, then select Image, and upload the logo we created at the previous step. Click on Select. And from here, you can change the custom logo width. Go down and change the logo position to top center. Go back and click here on Save. Make sure to save all changes, otherwise you're gonna lose them. Now, we're gonna delete the rest of sections and start adding them one by one. Click on Image Banner, go down and click on Remove Section. And we're gonna do the same for Rich Text section. And also delete the rest of sections. I will fast forward the video to save time. And now, our homepage looks clean, and we're gonna start adding sections one by one. First thing is to go to the product page at AliExpress to get some images and info. Let's save this image, and then go back to Shopify dashboard. Click here on the left on Add section, and go all the way down for more, and select Image with Text section. Click on it, and then add the image. Go back, click on Image with Text, and change the title to the product name. Go back and click on the text. Here, we're gonna add some info about the product, so let's go to AliExpress. And for example, let's copy this paragraph and paste it in the text field at Shopify Editor. Then click on the button here. In the button link, we're gonna select our product. It's the only product we have, so it's very easy to find it. And here at the button label, we're gonna write Buy Now. So if your customer clicks this button, he or she will be redirected to the product page. We're done with this section. Click on Save. Let's go back to AliExpress and get more images. Go back to Shopify dashboard and add new section. It's called Multi-Column. Click on it and reduce the columns to 2. And then go back and hide the third column by disabling the eye icon here. Click on the first column and delete the description and the heading. Click on Select Image and add one of the images you just downloaded it from AliExpress. Go back and do the same for the second column. Click on Multi-Column and delete the heading. Go down and change button label to Buy Now. And choose the product at button link field. Go to AliExpress and copy product detailed description. And at Shopify Builder, click on Add section and select Rich Text section. Click here and paste the description. Go back and click on the title. Change it to Why Radio Dsers. Go back and hide the button in this section by disabling the eye beside buttons. Let's add now new section. This section is called Featured Product. Click on it and select the only product we have. This section will enable customers to check out directly from the home page. Now, let's add new section to show the product video. Click on it and enter the URL of the product video. You can get the link from Ecom Hub. Click on the video title to take you to YouTube video page. Click on Share and copy the link. And then paste it here. And change the video heading to see it in action. Let's save the changes. Our website is almost complete and it looks just perfect. Click up here to view the website in mobile mode. The good thing about Shopify Builder that your website is mobile friendly by default, and that's great because 80% of your sales will happen from mobile. Also, you can view the website in full screen mode, so you can get the actual desktop view and make any modifications. Go back to desktop view and click the arrow here on the top left to exit Shopify Builder and go back to dashboard. The only page pending is the product page. Click on Customize and select the product page from here. We're gonna disable some items here. Hide the image with text section. And then hide the multi-column section. Go up and hide materials, shipping and returns, dimensions and care instructions. And then click on Save. Go back to Dashboard and click the I beside Online Store to see the website outside the editor. And by this we finished working on the store design, and let's move to the next step. In this step, we gonna work on website header and footer. Click on Navigation. And then click on Main Menu. Here, we gonna delete all items in Main Menu to fit the design of one product store. And then click on Save. Let's go back to the website and refresh it. You will notice that all header menu items are removed. Let's go back and work on footer menu. But before this, we gonna create some legal pages. Click on Settings. And then go down and click on Policies. The first one is the refund policy. All you have to do is to click on Create from Template. And we will do the same for privacy and terms of service policies. And for shipping policy, I have ready template designed for dropshipping stores. I will leave link to it in the video description. Just copy it and paste it here. And for the contact information, you can insert your email and then click on Save. Close this window and click on Pages under Online Store. You will find here Contact page created by default for you, and it's simply a contact form. When filled, you will receive email with the details. You can create other pages by clicking on Add Page. For example, you can create About Us page and write whatever content you want, and then click on Save. Now after creating necessary pages, we will go back to Navigation and work on Footer menu. Click on Footer and delete Search Item. Now, click on Add Menu Item. Click on Link and select Pages. Choose About Us page and click Add. Let's add now the second page, which is Contact page. Let's add the policies. Click on Add Menu Item, then Policies, and add them one by one. And then click on Save. If we refresh the website, you'll find changes applied at the Footer menu. The final step is to go to Online Store and click on Customize. Go down and click on Footer. Untick Show Email Signup. Go back and hide info and our mission by clicking the eye icon. Click on Quick Links and rename it to Customer Care. Click on Back, then Theme Settings. Go down and click on Social Media. Here you can enter your social media page's address, and small icon will appear at the footer. And by this, we are done with the website header and footer. Go up here and save the changes. Now, let's move to the next step. In this step, we will work on shipping settings. Click on Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Click on Manage. We're gonna offer free delivery worldwide to attract more customer. Noting that shipping fee at AliExpress for this product is free. Some products at AliExpress will have shipping fee of $2 or $3, but still we have to include the shipping cost in our profit margin. Click on the dots beside the first zone United States and delete it. And for rest the world zone, click here and edit the rates. Change the rate to 0 and rename it to free shipping. And click on Save. The next step is to click on Markets. Click on Manage beside International. and then click on Edit here. From this window, we can add or remove countries that we want to sell to, and then click on Save. Go back and click on Activate. And by this, the international sales is activate on your store. So now let's go to Payments. Here, we need to set up our payment providers so that our customers have options to check out and pay for the products, and we can also actually get paid when somebody buys something on our store. So the easiest payment provider is Shopify Payments. You can simply click on Complete Account Setup right here, enter all your information, and then people will be able to check out using credit cards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and so on. Keep in mind though that Shopify Payments is only available in selected countries. If your country is not included, you still have the option to accept payments through PayPal only. And from my experience, 70% of transactions will happen through PayPal, so it's more than enough to start with. Now by default, PayPal will be activated on your store. You can click here and finalize the registration steps, or otherwise link an existing PayPal business account. The second option is to use alternative payment methods, like for example, Stripe, which is a more inexpensive way of processing your payments. Choose Visa here for example, and you will get a list of all payment gateways in your country. Click on the desired one, and then you can get redirected to the payment provider and finalize the setup. Now, let's move to the next step. In this step, we're gonna add two important apps to our store. Click on Apps, and then browse Shopify App Store. The first app we're gonna install is Currency Converter, where it converts the currency based on customers' location. This is a great way to increase sales. Search for Currency Converter here, and choose this app, Best Currency Converter. Click on Add App, and then Install App. We have here two plans to choose from. The free plan has only 5 currencies, and it doesn't auto-switch the currency, so I highly advise you to go for the Elite plan. Note that you have 30 days free trial. Tick here, and click on Choose this plan. Click on Approve. Click here on point 1 to learn how to edit money formats. Go down to step 4. We have to do some changes at currency formatting. Go back to Dashboard and click on Settings. Go down to Store Currency and click on Change Formatting. Go back to the App Settings and go down to Step 5. Copy this code here. Go back to Settings and paste this code in front of the formatting text. Here and here. We go now to Step 6 and copy this code. Go back to Settings and paste this code after formatting text in both fields. Click on Save. If you go to Website, you will notice that Currency Switcher is added here on the top header. Let's add the second app. Search for an app called Lux, which is specialized in product reviews. Click on Add App. Then Install App. Choose Beginner Plan, and you will get 30 days free trial. Click here on Approve. Click on Let's Get Started. Then Continue, and Continue, Skip, and Finish. Click on Import Reviews. Then drag Import Lux button to the bookmark bar. Go to the product page in AliExpress and click on the bookmarked button. Choose here the product and select 4 stars and up ratings. Tick only reviews with photos and then click on Preview and Import. Here you can choose the reviews you want to send to store. You can click either Reject or Import. Go back to the product page, and you will find all imported reviews are listed under Product Description. This kind of reviews will add trust and encourage people to buy your product. On other hand, we gonna add the reviews on the home page as well. Go back to the dashboard and click on Customize. Click on Add Section and choose Reviews widget. You will notice that reviews are added to the home page as well. Click on Save, and let's move to the next step. In this final step, we gonna buy domain name and open our store for sales. Currently, We have this domain with .myshopify in it, and we gonna buy the domain radiojizer.com. Go to Settings, then Domains. Click on Buy New Domain and enter the required domain. The domain name is available. Click on Buy and follow the instructions. The next step is to open our store for public. Click on Online Store, then Preferences. Go down to Password Protection. Untick it and click on Save. And now, our store is open for business. And by this we concluded this tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you soon.